So, your laundry's piling up, you start your Bosch, and suddenly, boom, e26 Bosch washing machine error pops up. At first glance, it doesn't sound like much, just some letters and numbers, right? But that little message is actually your machine's way of saying, hey, something's off with how I'm handling water. And here's where it gets interesting, because this isn't just a one-problem situation. The E26 code could be hiding more than one possible issue. But more on that in a moment. Let's break it down. The E26 error is directly connected to the water level sensor inside your washer. Technically, it's called a hydrostat. Its job to make sure the machine takes in just the right amount of water for the selected program. Not too little, not too much. But when this part fails, and yes, it can happen, the machine gets confused. You might notice it's not filling at all. Sometimes it starts to cycle but stops halfway through. In other cases, the wash finishes, but there's still water left inside the drum. And here's the open loop. If this issue is ignored, could it lead to more serious problems? Could it cause water damage or affect the electronics in your washer? We'll get to that soon. First, here's what you can try. Unplug the machine and wait a few minutes. Sometimes, a simple reset clears the error, especially if it was triggered by a temporary sensor glitch. But if the message comes back the next time you wash, there's a good chance the hydrostat needs replacing. This isn't usually a part that wears out fast, but when it does, it needs attention. Now, if you're handy, you can open the back panel and locate the pressure sensor. Make sure the hose connected to it isn't blocked or cracked. A clogged hose can send false signals to the sensor. If everything looks fine and the error still shows up, it's time to swap the hydrostat. Replacement costs around $30, $70 for the part, or $100, $180 if you call a technician. The E26 Bosch washing machine error might seem like a small code, but it's your washer's way of telling you something important. Stay tuned until the end of the video to find out what can happen if you ignore this warning, because the consequences might surprise you.